When working with SQL, it is not enough to just know the syntax. You also need to make sure that the data you are working with is clean. One of the biggest issues you can run into is duplicates. If you try to join tables that contain duplicates on a key column, the results can explode. Instead of clean matches, you will see repeated rows, inflated counts, or totals that do not make sense. That is why checking for duplicates is such an important part of data quality control before running your queries. So what do we mean by a duplicate? A duplicate happens when the same value or the same combination of values appears more than once when it should really be unique. For example, a product ID should only exist once for each product. If you see that same product ID show up multiple times, something is wrong. This could be a data entry mistake, an error in the upstream pipeline, or just a missing constraint in the database. Whatever the cause, if you do not catch it before joining tables, your results will be unreliable. The way we check for duplicates in SQL is straightforward. We group the data by the column that should be unique, and then we count how many times each value appears. If everything is clean, each value should only show up once. If something appears more than once, you have found your duplicates. To make it even easier to spot issues, we can order the results by the count in descending order, so that the worst offenders appear right at the top. This type of check is not about producing a final report. It is about making sure the foundation is solid before building analysis on top of it. You do not want to discover halfway through that your totals are doubled because a join was performed on a non-unique column. A quick duplicate check can save hours of debugging later. And here is where AI tools can help. You can simply tell an AI assistant check if product_ID appears more than once, or show me a count of each value in this column sorted from highest to lowest. That kind of instruction will usually give you the exact SQL you need. The key is to be clear about which column should be unique and to ask for the count grouped by that column. So to summarize, duplicates matter because they break your joins, inflate your results, and create misleading insights. By grouping and counting, and by ordering the results to spot problems quickly, you can control for duplicates as part of your workflow. This step may feel small, but it is a cornerstone of data quality control, and it ensures that the queries you write afterwards will actually return the truth instead of noise.